So this pattern here for this little cookie tray is another free pattern from Dreaming Tree. I will link their webpage down below, so make sure you go check them out. I really enjoy using this high tack glue. It's sticky and it tacks things down. It allows you to move things around a bit before it sticks entirely. So I really like that. I will try to remember to put a link down below for that glue. And as you can see, it gives me enough time that I can just kind of wiggle things around a little bit and set that top piece exactly where I want it. So when making cards or different items with cardstock, I find using the tweezers is very helpful. It allows me to grab a hold of these tiny little pieces or the finicky pieces and lay them down with more precision. And yeah, if you haven't tried using tweezers yet, give it a shot. I find them very helpful. So this here is butcher paper. You'll see that there's a dull side and a shiny side. I'm going to put the glue on the dull side, so I want the shiny side facing up. What this will do is it'll give a bit of a protection between the cookies, the oil from the cookies, and the cardstock. So yeah, I'm just going to glue this on here. Next time I would not put as much glue in the middle. I would just put it around the outside because it does show through, but it's okay even if you do that. Now that we have all the pieces all glued on and it's all good to go as far as the extra little pieces, it's time to start creating the creases and getting it ready so that we can attach it together. Now all you need to do is start folding in on the score lines and making sure that they are all folded in the correct direction. Obviously we want to fold these in and up into the center of the dish. And then once we do that, then we will take some high-tack glue and glue in the corners, and then we'll be done. And as you can see, I should have waited a little bit longer for my glue to dry, but it's still stuck together and it's still going to be just fine. When you get the glue onto the corner tab, you may want to have some sort of a clip that you can put on there to hold it in place and so that it doesn't come apart. These are just some wonder clips that I have for my sewing, but they definitely will work for this as well. You can use any type of clip, even a paper clip would work just great. So now it's time to start adding some embellishments. Here are some little rhinestones with the stickers on the back from the dollar store. I'm going to use some of the kind of the pearl ones, but I do take the little sticker pads off the back. I don't know, it's something that I've always done, and I just put a little bit of that high-tack glue on there and then just stick it onto the side of the cookie tray. And just like that, our little cookie tray is all done. I love how it turned out. It is tiny, it'll hold about 6 to 8 cookies, but you know what, it's a perfect size. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Happy crafting!